Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a photo shoot with Rosie. Freya is dressed in the lovely Lemon Fig. Non-sponsored. Whole video is non-sponsored, but we are doing this out of our own will because we just want a photo shoot. So let's get into it. Okay, so now we are going to groom Rosie and get her all nice and clean. Okay everyone, so it's now raining. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but we'll find a way to make this work. I bet you can probably hear the rain in the camera, but yeah, so at the moment I'm just kind of trying to put up Rosie's mane, Amelia's on her tail, and yeah. Okay guys, so now we're just kind of waiting out the rain, and we're gonna start tacking her up.
Okay, so we're going to give a little tour of Rosie. So we've got the lovely big saddle pad. This is, I think, in GP. And then we've obviously got the lovely saddle. And then up front, I'll move. We've got the fig ear bonnet and her bridle. And then we've obviously got the plaits that Freya's done and the plait on her tail. So yeah. I'll show you guys the plaits. These are the plaits that Freya did. Thank you. And she does have two like stains here, which we will get rid of later once it stops raining. Good girl. Don't know if you can see the rain, but yeah, It's wet. Very. Alright, you guys. So Freya is now. Let's move a little bit closer. So Freya is now in the fig, looking gorgeous. And I'm just taking a few photos. And I've just been going around the arena. So yeah.
Okay guys, so we have now finished doing the photos. Both very good, they were very photogenic, looking very nice in the linear, which is non-sponsored. But now we're going to untack Rosie and we'll see what we do next. Okay, so we're going to take Rosie's plaits out, which is very good, so let's do that.
Okay, you guys, so we are now back. As Amelia said, we finished riding and taking the pictures. And so, yeah, so we will insert some of the pictures on the screen. or we'll show a video, or we'll show the pictures in a following clip. And yeah, so the rain is still pouring, but we have managed to do the photo shoot, so it's just a matter of time really. And yeah, so enjoy the photos, and I've got nothing else to say. Okay guys, so as a little outfit of the day, so today I'm wearing my Lemur fleece, and all of this I got for my birthday on Wednesday. So yeah, so I have my Lemur fleece in fig, then underneath I have the fig base layer, and I'm wearing the Freya breeches in truffle, which are discontinued, and the papaya socks, which you couldn't see that, but yeah, I'm wearing the papaya socks. And yeah, Amelia, what are you wearing today?
Okay, wearing the mask Lemur like short sleeve, which is a bad idea because it's cold. These are just general leggings because I like leggings and they're warm, and I didn't want to wear jumpers today. So yeah, and then I don't know what the socks are, but they're Lemur, but they're daisies. And
They're mulberry.
A mulberry socks, musk base layer with like the fig outlining, and some leggings.
Okay everyone, so we are luckily able to put a rug on Rosie tonight. So we're going to rug her up now.
We're also going to feed the horses and poo pick, and yeah, so let's go!
Okay guys, so I don't really know if you can see, it's now getting dark and we've got both the ponies, so we're gonna let them go and then we'll see you guys in the outro. They're really difficult to see. Oh, there we go. Okay guys, so it's very, very dark now. We have got the lights on. But anyway, so it's probably best to end the video here. We really hope that you enjoyed this video.
And we hope to see you again next time in our next video.
Bye!